on to the Grace Life. So now in this video today, we have a special collaboration, and it's called Eggcellent Collab Open Invite, and that's hosted by the Daughters of Destiny. So now the members are No Place Like Home, Miss Betty, Shawnee on the Spot, Gigi Fashion, Loving Home Decor, Lady Cinnamon, and Debbie Bubbles. Okay, now I'm going to be listing the Daughters of Destiny down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist, so make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to the playlist to see how we decorate for Easter. So when you full watch the video and you click that like button, you help us YouTube creators to grow on YouTube. So subscribing to the channel is totally free, and comment below because we would love to hear from you. Okay, so jumping into the video here, I decided to decorate my coffee table. And so you're going to see a bunch of things here, but I also decided to decorate a vignette, which I'm going to place on my coffee table. So we may as well decorate the whole thing. Isn't this tray absolutely beautiful? I thrifted this item. This was a great buy. And most of the stuff that you see here is either from the Dollar Tree, thrifted, or I DIY'd it. So I'm like really proud of this stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to some music as I decorate the coffee table. Okay, so what I wanted to say is I celebrate spring as, everything is springing up again, it's growing again, winter's gone, squirrels are running around, rabbits are running around, Easter eggs and carrots and all that fun stuff and all those beautiful pastel colors. Absolutely love it. But when I celebrate Easter, I'm celebrating the death and resurrection of my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, which is two totally different things. So that I hope you were blessed by that. So as you can see here on this table, I'm bringing in all of the spring, which is absolutely wonderful, especially when you come from a really cold place. And then I'm also bringing in the Easter, and that just speaks of life to me. And yeah, it's just awesome. So I just want to take a moment and thank the host, the Daughters of Destiny, for hosting this collaboration. So I hope you enjoyed how I decorated my table. Now let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.